Hey there, it's Daniel from TheGoodocs.com, where you can get free Google Docs templates and guides. Here we simply flip and rotate the text in different ways in Google Docs. There's plenty of ways to make your document look aesthetically better, including rotating the text and putting it along the document margins, left or right, and other ways. This is quite a simple one. Yet, in Google Docs, there is no direct way to rotate the text straight away. That is being done via the drawing mode. And here's the figure I made to demonstrate one of the ways it can look like. So, we enter the drawing mode by clicking on the Insert on the toolbar, third item Drawing, and selecting U on the right. That opens a drawing canvas, and here we create a text box. For that, click on the last but one icon on the toolbar, and then press hold and draw a frame of any size. And release. Now here, type in the text just like you normally do in a document. And now we rotate it. For that, cue editing by clicking on the mouse icon on the toolbar or with the Escape button. And then we go to the leftmost Actions on the toolbar, where we drag the pointer down to the Rotate. And here are your options. Rotate clockwise or counter, or flip the figure. I'll do counterclockwise. And here it is. Or you can do a right mouse click on the box margin, and here on the context menu go to Rotate. And this time, let's choose to flip it horizontally. And finally, if you need a different angle and not just 90 degrees all the time, you have an option to rotate the text box by pulling and dragging this circle on top of the box like this. And then release it when you find a right angle. There you go. Then hit Save and Close at the top right corner, and you have it in your doc. Now at this point, I like to lose the image to have more placement options. Make sure it is selected. You'll see this bar below the image, and press the last but one icon on the bar. Now it's free and you can put it anywhere over a text, or on the page margins and etc. Just much more flexibility. And for the customization, you can return to editing it by double-clicking on the picture. And here you can format it just like a regular text on the doc, changing the font, size, and formatting, and a few additional options, which are filling the text box with some color and creating the border, changing its width and its color. Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGoodocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we helped you. Thank you for watching.